Microsoft Copilot Search is rolling out in your organization. What does this mean from an IT pro perspective, and what should we be aware of? Well, the first thing is it's a really good thing. It means that the user experience and satisfaction with Copilot should increase because people will use Copilot Search for a better experience than using the traditional Copilot chat. And it'll have not just a better experience there, but a few easy actions that'll make it easier for users. The second thing to understand is that this does add pressure for IT if you have not already connected many enterprise systems to look at the Microsoft Graph connectors and how you connect search content in the Microsoft Search experience. Because as you do that, Copilot will benefit from that in a very direct and much more visible way now, since you have actually the sources or the places that it's searching available on the right side of the Copilot Search experience. So if you haven't connected Confluence or those file shares or some other resources, or if you're working through an active migration, then maybe this can accelerate your migration. Maybe this can accelerate the need to connect some of these other data sources, not just for Copilot Search, but for a broader set of value that you can get out of this. The third thing, and maybe the most important one, is to understand that like all search experiences, it inherits the security. So everything's security trimmed based on what you should see and have access to. It inherits the purview capabilities and more. So why is this important? It's important because when you look at a new search experience, it's a great reminder that if we haven't secured or protected our content, if we have oversharing risks that are still active in the organization, using SharePoint Advanced Management, using third-party tools, using better governance and management is really going to be key. So I love using new search experiences as another opportunity to say, hey, this debt that we have around security, around governance, we now need to finally address it because it's going to be more and more visible to many more users. Because while some people have done searches with Copilot, you'd be surprised at how few have really done complex and comprehensive searches. That will change as people have this new feature of Copilot Search, and that will expose some of those risks that you maybe have not addressed fast enough or taken the right proactive action on. I hope this has been helpful for you and you're as excited about Copilot Search as I am, but as IT pros, we have to be responsible for it. And so I hope this has given you a couple quick bits of feedback on how to think about it and to be more successful.